Proverbs said that, God help those who help themselves. This happened these siblings from Kuki community of Churachandpur district Manipur. These two were Dominic Sumanthang Haukip and Hachinghoi Haukip. Born to Jamkomang Haukip, a retired forest guard at Manipur Forest Department, and Nemyating Haukip, a housewife from Trebong. Both siblings were schooled at St. Mary's, Trebong and Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Chuanam in Churachandpur district. Hachinghoi Haukip was his elder sister and Dominic Sumanthang Haukip was youngest amongst 6 siblings. Hachinghoi was continue her B.Tech studies in IIT Madras. These siblings, when violence erupted in Manipur, their home state, Dominic shared that it was all chaos and everyone was affected by the crisis. He was at home todo the final revision for the prelims when violence erupted. He was full of tension and chaos. However, despite the challenge faced due to prevailing situation in the state, he managed to change the prelims exam to Delhi and he left alone via Aizawl. He's not the first time in Delhi, so there was not so much take times to adjust. Amidst all tension and stress while preparing for the civil exam, Dominic said that he was lucky to receive supports from his parents and siblings. He also told that his father encouraged him to focus only in studies, and his mother sat beside him even late at night, and whenever things get rough their parents always said, Lord will provide. In this way these two brother and sister clear the civil service exam conducted by Union Public Service Commission. Dominic Sumanthang Haukip was secured the 994 rank and his sister Hachinghoi Haukip secured 898 rank in CSE. And this message for you out there my dear friends, who wants to complete or compete such exam, do work hard night and day to get better results. Friends, hope that all of us can clear this type of exam by study hard, never lose hope until our dream come true. Please, share, like and subscribe to my channel for new updates. Thank you.